Hello! Tatting is really all about curves, but occasionally I like to have straight lines and sharp points, especially when I'm designing snowflakes, like this one, which is my latest design. You can see here how the chains end up at a sharp point. I'm going to show you how to do this. Here is a little sample I've been working on. We're going to start as for making a regular chain. Let's do 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is really a self-closing mock ring, but it has only 1 stitch. So I use this finger here to make the loop, bring it back into the pinch, and make the next stitch. You want to make sure there are no gaps at all here between this next stitch and the previous tatting, like this, and the second half. Now you're going to pass your shuttle through the loop from back to front. And I'm putting the shuttle down because I'm going to start pulling on the thread that comes out, the core thread of the new stitch. And this is going to pull this loop in, the loop that we were holding with our finger at the beginning. So pull until this goes all the way back in, like this. And now you can see the new stitch is in line with the previous stitches we've made. And now we're going to pull on the thread coming from the shuttle and pull back the other loop. I hold the stitches between my fingers and pull all the way back in. So that's what it looks like now. And we're going to make now the next stitch of the chain. And what's really important here is that this next stitch is behind the 1 stitch self-closing mock ring that's there. So can you see I want it to close behind like this, and this gives it the nice sharp shape. And then the second half, and we're going to finish the chain. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. You can see how this method creates a nice point on a chain. I hope you find it useful. See you next time. Bye-bye.